Like a forager's dream, you know. It's all here. You don't even have to go far. My goodness. So, okay. So let me just show you a little bit around this area. Okay. So I'm going to go back into the play park and go further down now and see what's there, because it's evident that in this bit of woodland it's everywhere. It's covered everywhere. I mean, you can't step without stepping on it. Trust me. It's everywhere. Let me show you along the river bed too. So let me just walk down. So as you can see, they plant the wild garlic and even wild leek. It's turning up everywhere. See it? Let me just go back on the main path and go further down. This is wild garlic haven. Oh my word, I mean, just look at this. Okay. Let's see how further down I can go before I stumble upon more of it. Because it's all here, right the way back. And there are some here too, younger ones coming up. Okay. So, I'm thinking, so the river goes all the way that way, right? And there's possibly a bridge coming up. So I'm going to continue down here. Now, as you can see, there's an entire section of woodland there, right? The houses are there, so I'm going to check just along the edges there and see if I can identify some wild garlic. Okay, so we're coming up to the edge on the right, on the left hand side rather, and just going to check the hillside. Okay. It's so easy to spot wild garlic because the leaves are so big. Look, this is on the right hand side. I was still thinking about the hillside, but look, on the right hand side we've got some. And look, we've more here, which obviously means that it's also on the left hand side, which was the plan to observe any growth on the left hand side. And yes, here we are. Even along the hillside. Yep. Look. Young shoots coming up. There we go. And it's going up the hillside too. Look. Is that amazing? It's going to be covered. In a month's time, it's going to be covered. It's all there along the hillside. It's just that I can't climb up there with these shoes and it's this wet at the moment. I roll off like dumpling. It's just so amazing. How resilient this plant is and how predictable it is in its season. I don't know, it's good. Let me just. This side is a bit bare. Not much activity. It's just. I think. Oh, sorry. Hi. No. To Eskbank Midlothian. Okay. Here's an opening. I'm going to check along the riverbed, see if I'll be lucky. So I'm entering another section of the park. I just need to check near the riverbed and see if I'm successful. There's nothing here. Okay. Right, there we go. Wild garlic. It's quite close to the path. You just move further in. Running water. Little. So here's the river Esk from this side of Dalkeith. So let me see the best place to go now. This side seems to be very bare, so maybe inland. Okay, there are wild garlic here, but they're small. You can see evidence of it. It's just that they're a bit smaller here because they're just shooting through the foliage. So there you go. I would imagine a couple weeks time they'll be a lot larger, but they are here in abundance. It's just that they're very small at this stage. So yes, there's evidence of it. Look, it's very. See the sweet one? That's it. Look. So, it's all here. You know? The thing is, they're small. That's why you cannot see big bunches of them. But it's everywhere. Everywhere. Let me just show you more of it. This place is going to be covered. Once they start to grow a lot larger, this place is going to be carpeted with it. So again, running water woodland, water garlic, or wild garlic, or ramson, or vuminji, whichever name you choose. It's everywhere. I mean, you don't have to. It's so much in this area. It's just like, so now it's February. So it means that it would be nice to revisit this place in March, April, when they're a lot larger. Because I'm telling you, all this area is covered with it. Let me just check a little over on that side just to confirm. Even along the hillside, look. And it goes all the way up, you know. They're small, but it does. Okay. There we go. Wild garlic near the dragon. Which one win? Which one win in the end? So the thing is, sometimes I cannot let all the foliage trick your eyes, giving the impression as if there isn't any wild garlic, yeah? It's just that they're piercing through at the moment in this area. In other areas, it's well through all, and visible from afar. But this region is very large, and I'm just barely touching bits of it. So I'm not doing justice to sort of give you a full picture as to how extensive wild garlic growth is in this park, because it's very huge. Like the, I don't know if it's a park. I know the Dalkeith Country Park is a proper park, but this might just be a regular living area, you know, and you've got woodland betwixt, you know, neighboring communities. So this might be one of them. But cut this gorge. What you say? I should test. Let me check this gorge and see if it works in this theory of wild garlicness. If I find few plants, it doesn't matter, you know. Here's it, small, tiny wild garlic plants. It's there. Look, along the hillside. They are there. Look. See, they're very tiny at this stage. But I can guarantee you that they're going to come into their own at the appropriate time during the season. So even in this area, it's covering the hillside. That's the thing, it's very deceiving, as if nothing is growing here, but you can see they're still quite tiny. So by April going to May, they're going to be big plants because they get good moisture, good nutrient supply, you know. It's everywhere. Just have to know where to look. Or sometimes it's just in your face. It's like this. Look. Okay. Wild garlic. I should be a healthier person by the end of spring. I'll be green. My eyes will be green. Eating all this greenery. We'll see. Then continue through this porch. Nope. Let's keep going. There we go. So some of them start to pierce through the foliage in this section. Look. There we go. And look, all this section just littered with garlic plants. They're young, but they're just everywhere. Everywhere. I mean, you don't even have to make any effort to look. You just turn up, present yourself with a scissors, snip it to snip when it's in season, and Bob's your uncle. Or Bobbit is your auntie, I think. Look. And it goes all the way. You can see the plants, yeah? See it, Pam? Pam? They're everywhere. Ooh. Oh, fallen tree. Okay. I guess I'm going to exit this. Just the best way to go. Let's try this side. Voila. Okay. Wow. Fallen trees. Okay, where am I heading? Ooh. If I could stay proper. Wonder if I could get over that side. Where would be the best point to go down that gorge. I hate when I'm walking and stuff. Gravel fall into my shoes. It's so annoying. Have you ever tried to walk? Have you ever tried to walk with gravel in a shoe? All it takes is one gravel and it's just so uncomfortable, you know. It's like you're so aware that it's there. Okay, best way down without rolling over like a dumpling is the shoes. I'm hoping that it's good enough. Let me check. Oh my word. Wee. Okay. One step at a time. It's not a rolling competition here. Okay. Yeah. Look. Spot on. It's everywhere. Oh gosh. Oh goodness. I mean, maybe that's why people don't farm wild garlic when it's in season, because it's just out there in your face. Look, entire hillside here. Yeah, it's just, and all on this side too. Let me just take you across. Almost dumpling a trip. Rolling off this hill. Some nice size. Well, not still quite young, but they're visible. And wild garlic all of here. Okay. Now to navigate through this wilderness of wood and green. Ouch! Man against trees, against branch, against wild garlic. All the same. Okay, so see, it's everywhere. All the way up there, wild garlic. Now I meant us to go up there, so let me see. Let me explore this new frontier. I'm sliding. Maybe coming down a bit more tricky than going up. But for now, gee. Yep. That's tricky. Okay. I'm right at the last bit, but I'm looking for a way to get up with the mushrooms slip. Oh, ooh, it didn't slip good. Lots of it. Ooh. How much calorie I just burned. Can't believe it. I just step up the hill and I'm puffing. Not that I'm unhealthy, it's just that I almost slip and roll over. It was quite slippery that side. Wild garlic. Someone trying to burn down that tree or what? What's wrong with people? Wow. It's not so much here. It's strange. No, it's not strange. There should be, but where's the running water? It's down that side. There we go. But there should be some here still. There's a woodland. I think this part doesn't have as many of the plants as on that side. But even so, there should be some. And I can see them starting to pop up here. There's a cluster of plants in this section. Yeah. Obviously I won't be able to finish all of this woodland, so I need to exit and be on my way back to Edinburgh. So, success. I've identified plenty of it. It's everywhere. Woodland, running water, wild garlic. I'm happy. And all of here. More of the same. This air is really soggy. Well, there'll be happy plants. Okay, back to the main path. Oh, the golf course is a golf course just along there. Didn't even get to check that side. Okay. It's just right along. It's just there along the path. It's so easy.